Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm talking about two hiring opportunities. So first of all, I'll discuss about trainee software engineer. You can see guys here, okay. After that, I'll discuss about data analyst role, Power BI, okay guys. So before discussing all of the two opportunity, you can see here guys, this is my channel. So if you didn't subscribe it yet, so please subscribe my channel. And this is the my LinkedIn ID. So please follow me here. The link is in given in description box, okay guys. So now we will discuss about the job, okay. So this is the role, trainee software engineer front end, okay. This is the job category internship. So this is an internship program posted here, you can see 12 Jan 2025, okay. Recently posted via company, okay. This is the full-time job opportunity, hybrid mode, and location is New Delhi, Gurgaon, India. You can apply from here via LinkedIn, okay. Click over the apply with LinkedIn, and you can also apply here. Click on the apply now icon, okay guys. This is JD part, so read it carefully. Then now scroll down. This is job overview, so read it also. This is the roles and responsibility, okay. Company mention here multiple points. Then key requirements, okay. So fresher who wish to pick up career opportunity in IT are eligible to apply. Then now in second point, having knowledge of Redux, Databricks, SQL will be an added advantages. Okay, so you should have knowledge about Redux, Databricks, and SQL, and also having knowledge about HTML, CSS, OOPS concept, C Sharp, .NET, Core, JavaScript, React.js, and its core principle. And you should have a strong analytical and problem solving skills. And now we came into qualification. So you can see here any graduate BE, BTech, MCA with less or no experience. Okay, so you should have a degree related to CSIT field. And here mentioned that personal characteristics, okay, what we offer. So read it all and everything carefully, then apply for the job. Don't miss, okay. And you can see here interview rounds. So here is two interview round. First is technical interview, then round 2 interview is comprehensive interview. Okay guys. So read all of the above details carefully. Then apply for this job. Okay. Click over the apply now and also apply with LinkedIn. Then now I'll discuss about data analyst Power BI role. Job category business and data analytics. Primary location Hyderabad, Telangana, India. And here two type of employee can apply. Okay. So first is external candidate application. Then second is internal employee application. Then now scroll it and you can read it carefully. This is the information about the company, primary responsibilities, so read it everything. Then now we came into required qualification. So BTech or equivalent, okay. Knowledge of visualizer application, Power BI and Tableau for front end customer review and access. And here this is the third point, understanding of workflow application, okay guys. So you should have a degree related to BTech, okay. So you should have a degree related to CSIT field like BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA. Then you can apply for the job. Okay. So read it carefully. Apply. Click over the apply icon, and you can also select here you are external employee and you are internal employee. Okay. So I'll provide the all of two link in description box. You can apply from there. Click over the links. Okay. So that's all about the today video. So this video is really helpful for you. So please like this video, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. Till then, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in next video.